Samsung is gearing up to introduce its upcoming premium foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, equipped with feature-rich advancements. Ahead of its formal unveiling, the anticipated handset is generating considerable buzz as leaks reveal its design and hardware capabilities. A newly surfaced image online has allegedly disclosed details regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera configuration. The device is anticipated to debut in July 2025. In this video, we will explore the expected specifications and features likely to be offered by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely to be launched alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Z Flip 7 FE. Reports suggest that the device has now entered large-scale production and may see an official release soon. Its launch is predicted for July 2025, boasting some of the most compelling upgrades to date. A glimpse of the Galaxy Z Fold 7's rear panel appeared briefly on Weibo before being taken down, but tipsters managed to capture the image in time. Based on this leak, the smartphone showcases the recognizable vertically aligned triple-lens camera system. However, the post revealed limited specifics regarding the camera's technical specifications. The handset is tipped to sport a near bezel-less outer screen and an ultra-thin 3.9mm profile when unfolded. Recent leaks tied to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 have highlighted its design innovations, hardware refinements, and software enhancements. Although it might not be crowned the slimmest foldable device on the market, it introduces substantial improvements in toughness, screen tech, and imaging capabilities. These enhancements aim to elevate the foldable user experience by fusing innovation with practical functionality. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 features a meticulously reworked design that narrows the divide between conventional smartphones and folding handsets. When fully open, the device boasts an impressively slim 4.54mm profile, while its folded structure reaches about 9mm or 10.08mm if the camera bump is included. Despite being slightly thicker than early rumors suggested, the design remains highly competitive, particularly when pitted against rivals like the Oppo Find N5. Samsung has also optimized the folded usability of the device. A broader external display and an extended inner screen now measuring 143mm, up from 132mm on the Fold 6, enhance its smartphone-like feel when closed. This refinement ensures smoother switching between folded and unfolded usage, boosting day-to-day convenience for messaging, browsing, and app multitasking. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be equipped with a 200-megapixel main sensor, marking a significant evolution in mobile photography. This jump in resolution places the Fold 7 among the top choices for users prioritizing professional-grade image capture. The advanced sensor delivers heightened clarity, improved performance in low-light conditions, and expanded versatility for snapping detailed photos and shooting high-resolution videos. However, the inclusion of this high-end module means a more prominent camera bump, slightly increasing the device's thickness. Disparities in leaked images hint at early prototypes or alternate versions, yet the focus on imaging excellence aligns with Samsung's mission to offer flagship-level photography in foldable form. Durability continues to be a core concern with foldable phones, and Samsung is tackling this by adopting titanium materials in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, replacing steel and carbon fiber parts. The titanium back panel reinforces the device structurally while maintaining a high-end visual appeal. This material upgrade is anticipated to improve resistance to daily damage, making the Fold 7 more dependable for long-term usage. Titanium also reduces the device's weight, ensuring the Fold 7 stays light and easy to handle. This innovation underlines Samsung's commitment to manufacturing foldables that blend resilience with practicality. Samsung continues advancing foldable screen technology with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. A larger main display and a more spacious cover screen elevate the visual experience, making the device better suited for productivity, gaming, and entertainment. These updates align with the needs of modern users who demand performance and flexibility. The new display hardware also enhances transitions between folded and expanded modes, allowing apps and content to adjust fluidly. This emphasis on usability reflects Samsung's ongoing efforts to refine the foldable display formula to match users' evolving demands, whether for work or play. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 will ship with Samsung's One UI 8, an operating system tailored to enhance the folding user interface. Building upon insights from One UI 7, this upgrade introduces features that optimize multitasking, seamless app transitions, and customization options. The result is a polished, easy-to-navigate user experience that flows between closed and open configurations. Key enhancements in One UI 8 include improved split-screen functionality, expanded gesture inputs, and enhanced app compatibility for foldable displays. These features aim to offer a frictionless user experience, transforming the Fold 7 into a versatile tool for productivity and recreation alike. Foldable phones often face the challenge of balancing slimness with battery endurance, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 strikes a calculated balance. Though not the thinnest foldable available, its marginally bulkier chassis allows room for a bigger battery, ideal for users seeking extended usage over ultra-thin designs. This choice ensures the Fold 7 can handle demanding tasks like streaming, gaming, and multitasking without constant charging. By prioritizing battery longevity, Samsung addresses a common pain point among foldable users, delivering a handset that's reliable for continuous everyday tasks. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 enters a highly competitive foldable landscape, going up against strong alternatives like the Oppo Find N5. While Oppo's device might be slimmer, Samsung sets itself apart through a larger display, refined imaging technology, and robust titanium build. These attributes reinforce its standing in the premium foldable tier. Samsung's emphasis on sturdiness, user experience, and top-tier performance ensures that the Fold 7 appeals to a wide spectrum of users, from tech aficionados to professionals after a capable hybrid device. As competition in the foldable space intensifies, the Fold 7 sets an impressive benchmark for next-gen smartphones. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 leaks suggest it might rival the world's thinnest foldable. The team at SamMobile appears to have obtained CAD blueprints for the Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. These schematics detail the exact dimensions of both foldables. The Fold 7 is reported to measure 4.54 mm thick when open and 9.0 mm when closed. For comparison, the Oppo Find N5 is 4.21 mm thick unfolded and 8.93 mm folded. While the Fold 7 doesn't claim the title for the thinnest, the difference is minimal. Its total size is said to be 158.43 by 143.14 by 4.54 mm. Meanwhile, the CAD diagrams for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 suggest similar dimensions to last year's model. The Flip 6 measured 165.1 by 71.9 by 6.9 mm, and the Flip 7 is estimated at 166.61 by 75.23 by 6.84 mm. This leak also aligns with previous claims about the Flip 7 size. If you have any questions or thoughts, please drop them in the comments below.